Welcome to AeroAuto Adventures. Today, we're diving into an exciting and innovative topic: hydrogen-powered cars. With all the buzz around electric vehicles, hydrogen is emerging as a strong alternative. But can it truly become the future of transportation? Let's find out. So, how do hydrogen-powered cars work? These vehicles use fuel cells that combine hydrogen gas with oxygen to produce electricity. This electricity powers the car's motor, and the only byproduct of this process is water vapor. That's right, no harmful emissions, just clean water. Let's talk about the advantages of hydrogen cars. First and foremost, they're incredibly eco-friendly. Unlike traditional gasoline-powered cars, hydrogen vehicles produce zero carbon emissions, making them a great choice for combating climate change. Another big advantage is refueling time. While electric vehicles can take hours to charge, hydrogen cars can be refueled in just a few minutes, similar to a traditional gas station. This makes them more practical for long-distance travel. And let's not forget about range. Hydrogen cars can travel hundreds of miles on a single tank, rivaling or even surpassing some electric vehicles. This makes them an attractive option for people who need a reliable vehicle for long trips. But like any technology, hydrogen cars face their challenges. One major issue is the lack of hydrogen refueling stations. Unlike the widespread availability of gas stations or even EV charging stations, hydrogen infrastructure is still in its infancy, limiting the accessibility of these vehicles. Another challenge is cost. Producing, storing, and transporting hydrogen can be expensive, and this cost is often reflected in the price of hydrogen vehicles and fuel. And then there's the question of energy efficiency. While hydrogen is a clean energy source, producing it often requires a significant amount of electricity, which can reduce its overall efficiency. Despite these hurdles, some automakers are making significant strides in the hydrogen car market. Toyota's Mirai and Hyundai's Nexo are two great examples of hydrogen-powered cars that are already on the road today. These vehicles showcase the potential of hydrogen as a clean and efficient energy source. So, what does the future hold for hydrogen cars? With continued investment in infrastructure and advancements in technology, hydrogen could play a major role in transforming the transportation sector. Imagine a world where clean, efficient hydrogen vehicles dominate our roads, reducing emissions and making the planet a greener place. But the big question is, will hydrogen cars become a mainstream solution, or will they remain a niche alternative? That's up to us to decide. What do you think? Are hydrogen cars the future of transportation, or are they just another option in the race for clean energy? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AeroAuto Adventures, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in transportation technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.